Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vaughn again, and this is now day 2 of our class. I'm going to actually demonstrate a couple of things in Microsoft Excel and Mindtap. So I have pulled open the not that long-ish tutorial that you have in that chapter 3, but the first one of the videos and practice required structured activities. So we're going to take a look at this and kind of get our heads around how to use Mindtap. I've also have a Microsoft Excel window open over here and one in which I've already added in that data analysis tool pack. All right, so first of all, in this activity, first of all, there's a video that will walk you through how to do everything. And so what I would suggest that you do is like open this up and have it, playing, and then you can even pause it as you work through the activities, which is, here. Now, you could also, in this particular case, they give you a spreadsheet. So if you just click on this, you can actually access this Excel spreadsheet. This is in the online version of Excel. I don't know whether you can actually download this, but it does have a template over here that's all set for you to compute mean, median, mode, Q1, Q3, and the 90th percentile. So now I'll use this online version of Microsoft Excel, and I'll go back and say, okay, what does it want me to do? Compute the mean, median, and mode, round your answers to one decimal place if necessary. All right, so let's see, here's the data over here. And one of the things that you can use is this formula. It kind of, you can write in here what the formula is, but I'm going to just show you a couple of ways of going about doing this. So first, for mean is also called the average. So you could use the command equals average, and then click and drag through the cost numbers. Notice in this case, I didn't include the label, just the numbers, and then close parentheses to actually execute that command, followed by the enter. And so the average is 160.5, and it reminds you over here in the orange which formula you used. So that is the number that's going to go here, rounded to one decimal place, 160.5. All right, now we'll come back. The next one is the median. The command for that is going to be equals median. And again, I'll click and drag through these numbers, close parentheses, and the median is 135. This is the central number if I sorted these from largest to smallest. Now the mode. So we can try this, equals mode. Now there's a multi-mode and a single mode. I'm just going to leave that off for now, just do the equals mode. And it says that it's 125. Now the mode is the number that shows up more frequently than anything else, so you can actually just verify this by looking at the numbers. 125 appears once, twice, 3 times. And then there's no other number that appears 3 times. So that's the mode, the number that appears more often than any other number. Okay, now it kind of even gives you a hint on here on this next one. We're going to use this quartile.exc function. So in order to find the quartile, well, you do equals quartile.exc. You could just, after you first type the first couple of letters, it'll autofill down here, and you can double click it. It does the opening parentheses for you. Click and drag through the numbers, and then comma, the quartile that I want. And so I want the first quartile, so I'm going to put the number 1 and then close parentheses. And that'll give me that number 115 as the first quartile. And then for the third quartile, we'll just do the same command, equals quartile.exc. Click and drag through the numbers. And this time it'll be quartile number 3, close parentheses. 192.5. And finally, the 90th percentile. So for this one, we're going to use that, again, percentile.exc function. Watch me get this wrong. That's all right. Equals percentile.exc. as opposed to quartile. Open parentheses is already there. Click and drag through the array. And then now I want to put in the percentile. So that's where I'm going to put the 90th percentile, 90, and then close parentheses. And let's see, it's giving me some kind of an error here. So let me try to put the 0.90 for the 90th, percent 0.90, and see if it likes that better. Oh, see, yeah, it did like that better. So you need to put in 0.9, not 90, into that command, 253.5. And now the nice thing about Mindtap exercises, you can check your work. You can see the green check marks. I got them all right. And then you can go on to the next question. Or you could actually reset this. It'll give you new numbers and you can try it again. And that's how you'll get a little bit of practice at using these Excel commands. They're pretty straightforward. They're demonstrated in the video up at the top. And hopefully this will help you get off to a great start in using these great tools that we have for you. One last thing before we go, before I sign off on this particular video, I wanted to just make a note about the discussion 1. I think that the initial response to that is due tomorrow on Thursday. So week 1 discussion forum. And you'll see that you actually have some data that's in chapter 3 of the ebook. You're going to download this and you're going to run the descriptive statistics in the data analysis tool pack. So let me demonstrate that really quick. I'm going to go back into my sheet. I'm just going to type some random numbers for right now. Okay, this is my data set. And so once I have the data analysis tool pack downloaded, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go to descriptive statistics. In the input range, I'll click and drag through the data numbers. I did not include the labels. It is grouped by columns. And then for the output range, I'm going to put it somewhere else on the page, off to the side, down below, wherever you want the output to go. Click in that box and then click on the cell where you want the output to go. And I'm going to ask for the summary statistics and then press OK. And so now the data analysis tool pack does its job and prints out for me the mean, the standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the variance, the kurtosis, the min, the max, the range, all of these great descriptive statistics. And I did it in a matter of seconds by using the descriptive statistics under the data analysis tool pack add-in. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you're off to a good start. If not, please let me know. Send me a message, send me a chat, and I'll see you again later.